Assalamu alaikum. I am Mehwish Faisal. I am teaching you about computer studies for class 4. The chapters are include in first term are reviewing computer, the pioneer of computer and introduction of spreadsheet. Students, in first chapter, we will cover these objects: define computer, characteristics of computer, kinds of computer, classification of computer, and basic operation of computer. The word computer comes from compute, which means to calculate, perfect. A computer is a machine or device that perform process like a calculation and different operation based on your instruction. That's mean whatever you give instruction to the computer, it will be performed. How computer works? First you can input your data, whatever you want insert in your system. Then it will be a process. Then you will be get your desired output. How computer would be perform anything? Because the computer is a combination of two things. One is software, another one is hardware. That's mean we cannot do anything if we don't have a hardware, because the both things are very important to each other. For suppose if we have a hardware and we do not have a software inside our computer, so we will not do anything. And we have a hardware and we have a software, but we don't have a CPU, so we will not perform anything in our system. Even you will not open your system without a CPU. In this case, we can say that the both are very necessary for each other. A software is a set of instruction and it directs a computer what to do and how to do. In this slide, we discuss about characteristics of computer. It's extremely fast, accurate, diligence, versatile, and storage. The first characteristic of computer is fast. Computer is extremely fast because it's perform number of instruction in a few seconds. It efficiently perform input, processing and output and storage. Operations of computer perform million of instruction and even more per second. The second character of a computer is accurate. Accurate means perfection. The computer is a very high accuracy. That's mean computer perform every calculation and operation very accurate. That's mean the computer is a very high accuracy. If, for example, if you give any maths calculation, it will be performed very correct. It will be give a very correct answer. And if you give any instruction to the computer, so it is also performed very correctly. That's mean the computer is a high accuracy. For example, if we give 2 plus 2, that the computer always perform 4. That's mean this is a accuracy. The third characteristic of computer is diligence. That diligence mean if you give million of instruction to the computer at a time, so it perform without any mistake. That's mean it's free from tiredness, no lack of concentration. It can work for hours without creating any mistake. Now students, we are discuss about versatile. That the versatile means computer is performing more than one task at the same time. For example, you may use your computer to type your document, or you can make sheet on Excel at the same time. You can Google or search something in a Chrome on the same time. This is called the versatile. That versatile means perform multiple works at the same time. Now student, this is the last characteristic but not least. Storage. The computer has a built-in memory. That means it has a primary storage area where you can save your large amount of data. The primary storage means the computer has already some storage area. And the second is secondary storage. That secondary storage means hard disk, USB drive and CD-ROM. That means you can buy from outside and put with your system. Review of today's lecture. Define computer. Characteristics of computer. Extremely fast, accurate, diligence, versatile, storage. Student, hope you understand lecture 1. This is your first assignment. In this we have 3 questions. Question number 1, define computer. Question number 2, define input and output devices. Question number 3, what are the characteristics of computer? So student, you have to copy out the questions with the answer on foolscap sheet. This is question number 4. Students, don't worry about this picture. Only write down name of the devices with assigned number on foolscap sheet.